In the cheerful meadow of Sunnyvale, Lily the lamb was racing her best friend, Buzzy the bee. "You'll never catch me," Lily giggled, hopping and jingling her little bell. "Oh, I'll catch you," buzzed Buzzy, zipping in playful loops around her. Nearby, Daisy the cow munched on grass. "You two are as wild as a windy haystack," she laughed. Max the dog barked, trying to join the race, but tripped over his tail. Tom the cat, lounging on a rock, yawned. "This is too much energy for me." Hidden in the bushes, Freddy the fox watched them, licking his lips. "That lamb looks like the perfect snack." Freddy stepped out with a grin. "Hello, Lily. You're such a superstar jumper. I know a secret meadow in the forest with magic grass and glittering flowers. Would you like to see it?" Lily's eyes lit up. "A secret meadow? That sounds amazing, but I'll only go if my friends come too." Freddy hesitated but forced a smile. Sure, why not?" Lily rang her bell, and Daisy, Max, Tom, and Buzzy joined. Together, they followed Freddy toward the forest. Halfway there, Lily stopped. "Wait, let's play a game first. Follow the leader." Lily twirled, zigzagged, and hopped. Daisy tumbled into a bush, Max spun in circles, and Tom slipped off a log. Freddy tried to keep up but tripped and landed splash in a puddle. Everyone burst out laughing. "Freddy, you're the funniest leader ever," Lily giggled. Freddy, covered in mud, grumbled, "Let's just get to the meadow." But Buzzy buzzed in front of him. "Hold on, Fox. Why are you so eager?" "Smells like trouble to me." Freddy froze, his ears drooping. "All right, I admit it. I was trying to trick you, but now I see how much fun you all have. Can I be your friend instead?" Lily smiled. "Of course, but no more tricks." From that day on, Freddy became the meadow's funniest and most loyal friend, leaving his sneaky ways behind. Moral: true friendship is built on kindness, honesty, and a lot of laughter.